Ever wondered how to elevate your style without breaking the bank? Or how to keep your wardrobe organized and clutter-free? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Styled and Sorted by Jazzmania, where we unveil the secrets of the fashion world and offer practical solutions to your style dilemmas. In the world of fashion, it's not about having the latest trends, but about mastering the art of styling. We'll reveal how to mix and match your existing wardrobe to create fresh and exciting looks. And for those who believe their wardrobe is never complete, we'll share how to shop smart and make each purchase count. Organization is key in the world of fashion. An organized wardrobe not only saves time, but also provides a clear view of your fashion arsenal. We'll guide you through the process of decluttering, categorizing, and arranging your wardrobe to make your morning routine a breeze. To summarize, Style Revolution is here to help you navigate the fashion landscape with ease. We'll provide tips and hacks to elevate your style, guide you in organizing your wardrobe, and explore the vast world of beauty products. We aim to inspire and empower you to take control of your style. Remember, fashion is not about impressing others, but about expressing yourself. So embrace your uniqueness, experiment with your style, and most importantly, have fun with it. After all, it's not just about looking good, but feeling good too. So, are you ready to embark on this style revolution? Tune in for more fashion insights, tips, and hacks. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things style. Until next time, keep it stylish.